first stage is quite long, the longest I've ever done, and I think the longest maybe of the season. The main thing is just to keep the focus.
Be able to maintain a good rhythm and to set in the rhythm early enough.
It's been a good day, lots of learning. We're happy to have gotten to the end of the rally. It was quite difficult, especially for our cars, due to the heat.
We were really looking forward to this event. Things were going well. Unfortunately, 20 kilometers in, our rear diff packed up. But from the 20 kilometers that we drove in, it was amazing, and we had really good pace, and we were looking for a top 5 position. But it's part of rallying, so you have to have a strong heart in this sport, and you have to take it as it comes.
In the next 5 years, yes, we want to be champion, of course, in the national series. At least now we know we are able to fight for top 5 position. So in the next coming 2-3 years, I should have found that little bit extra to fight with the likes of Tundo, Bolli for outright victories.